Hey guys, so today I am reviewing the best crypto exchange in the market, Kraken exchange. Now, this exchange is in the market since last more than 10 plus years, which is Kraken.com. So now today I'm gonna review this in front of you all. I will give my honest reviews for the most important key features. Now let's review first the homepage, then we will move towards another important key aspects. First, I would like to show you guys can see it. Let's explore the interface first. You guys can see it in front of your eyes that this company, the exchange, promises that we can grow our portfolio and start trading with as low as $10. Can you imagine it? It's very quite low. Here, if you scroll below, you can read it. Kraken is the crypto exchange for everyone. It means not everyone can trade. You can see there are more than 10 million clients, more than 190 countries supports this platform, and their quarter trading volume is $207 billion. That's a lot of money. In the below you can read it that create your free account. You can create your account on free on this exchange. Here you can see the buy and sell 200 plus cryptocurrencies on this amazing platform. Here you can see all the coins names are scrolling that are listed on this amazing platform. So these are the names of this, you can say, the coins. Here you can see that why you should choose the Kraken exchange, because their user interface is super simple. It's mentioned here, and if you don't know where to start, they have mentioned their learn center that you can click it directly and you will land it to a page where you can learn everything about crypto. And the best thing I have liked about them, honestly, is their customer support, because any company or any app, any websites gets better with their customer support. They support 24/7 and 365 days of the year by live chat, phone calls, or emails. Now let me scroll it down a little bit more. Here you can see you guys can earn rewards by staking on this amazing platform. You guys can earn up to more than 10% annual percent returns and rewards annually by staking your assets. If someone don't wants to trade, no problem. The Kraken exchange is for you. You can just buy and stake your cryptocurrency. Now I would like to move on their trading interface to show my honest review. So now let me switch the screens for you guys to see the trading interface. So here it is. Now here I am on their, you can say, trading interface. I find it pretty user friendly because there are no so much, you can say, some massive anything, but right here I have switched the modes. They offer two modes, the light mode and the dark mode, in front of you guys. Also, you guys can see the charts right here in front. You guys can, someone if wants to trade the, what you say, the margins, here is on the one single interface margin. You can adjust the leverage, buy or sell the trade, adjust the limits or the quantity, and in total you will get the US dollars price in front of you right here. You can click on the limit. You can adjust all the limit, market stop loss, take profit, iceberg, and the most important, trailing stop losses. And if someone wants to trade the spot trading, they can also click on the same interface and adjust their limit prices, quantity, and the total US dollars they want to trade. So now here you can see all the modes are also available on this amazing platform in the simple area. And the amazing thing, you guys can make alerts when you are trading. You know the meaning of alerts, guys, that whenever a price reaches a certain area, it means that the app, the Kraken exchange, will send us automatic notifications that whether we want to buy or whether we want to sell, because that's the very useful tool. I personally use this tool in my other exchanges and Kraken exchange as well. Here you can see the order book is running right beside it. You don't need to go any other platform or check any other platform. Whenever you are trading, you guys can see the order book right beside it. Now Here the assets are mentioned. Here you can see you can adjust the quantity to see the order book quantity. Now I would like to show you guys the market trades as well. You guys can see that the time frame and the quantity and the price on which the trade is executed in the market order. You guys can see it in front of you guys. The red ones are the sell ones, the green ones are the buy ones. Now, as I have shown, the market trades everything. This area, this section is for your balances, positions, open orders, conditional orders, closed trades, or normal trades that are running. So this area defines this. And here, the best part, you can adjust your layouts as per your preferences. Let me click it here. Here you can see we can choose between these four options. If I add the widget, let me click it. You guys can see I can drag and drop the thing directly into my, on my trading interface. That's super good. Here you can see, let me click it again. Here you can see all the widgets are available in front of you guys. No other exchange in my thought that I have explored it, no other exchange offers this kind of things. Now I have explained this, the trading, the trading interface in front of you guys. So now I would like to show you guys other side of this exchange, the other option. Here you can see right now I'm on the home page of the Kraken exchange right now, where my portfolio value is 00 because I haven't deposited anything yet. You can see it. But if you want to deposit on this platform, you just need to click right here on the buy crypto option. Just click it and this add payment method will appear. Click this, and now when you click on the add payment card, just click this here, right here, and you guys can see it that now it's loading right now. Just give it a second, let it load, and here you go. The Visa and MasterCard. This website supports both Visa or MasterCard. I am just writing random numbers to show you guys that this website supports all the processes to you can say deposit. If you want to deposit the cash, you can deposit it, but the thing is that fees of your bank for money transfer will be applied, and if it's supported in your country, it's surely available. Now let me show you guys the other option of this exchange, the most important key feature as well. So now let's see it. Here it is. The amazing part, guys, that this exchange offers its own wallet, Kraken wallet. You guys can read it here. Simple, secure, and powerful. Now let me scroll it down here to show you guys more about it. You guys can read some most important. Let me zoom out a little bit. You guys can read that your keys, your crypto, these guys have made this wallet self-custody, that we have control over our assets, we have control over NFT assets and everything. And for the second options, you guys can read it right here, that they offer world-class security. It means that our assets are protected by an open source softwares that combines with the latest biometric authentication and encryption technology. Now here you can see unified multi-chain access, which means this amazing exchange also gave us the, you can say, multiple networks to trade: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Dogecoin, Solana, and many more. You can also trade your NFTs without any gas fees. So here I am back on the home page of exploration. So this was my quite honest review. In my opinion, you guys should give this exchange a try, because as far as I have explored it, these options are very useful, believe me. So if you guys want, or if you guys are searching for amazing trading exchange that combines everything in just one place, Kraken exchange, I guess, is for you. You should give it a try, because anyways you can start trading with as low as $10. So this was my the trading review, the honest trading review for this broker. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.